So you guys seem to really like the last cooking video. I liked that a lot, and I'm glad you guys enjoyed it. And now, since I have to make another one since we got 10 likes, while I eat this peanut butter and jelly sandwich, I'm going to think about what I'm going to make next for the next cooking video. So yeah, I'm going to enjoy this peanut butter and jelly sandwich. And yeah, while I do that, after I do this, I'm going to play some Wii, like Wii Tennis or something, I don't know, and then we're going to think about what to make for the next video. Alright, we have match point here. Ah! Yes! Woo! Wait, is that a knock on my sliding glass door? What the hell? Hold on a second. I gotta take my Wii strap off. I'm a winner. That's my burger. What? What's even in here? Oh god. Alright, let's see what we got in here then. We have the taco seasoning for meat. So it's probably meat in here. Green onions, it looks like. Cheddar cheese flavored dip. Okay, here's the meat. And there's a bag of chips. So I guess we're making nachos. That emoji dropped off nachos. My cat's going ballistic. And then olives and sour cream. So yeah, I guess we're making nachos today. What's the matter? Why are you going crazy? You're okay. Ow! Why? I just want to be your friend. Oh. Okay. At least Mushi's doing good. Why are you going crazy? What's the matter? What the problem is? There's people upstairs making a ton of noise. That's probably why he's freaking out. Anyway, back to the nachos. I don't know why I'm showing off my pets. So I don't know exactly what I'm gonna do for preparation this time. I'll probably just end up doing what I did last time with the pizza bite things, and I'll just do a time lapse of me making everything. So yeah, more of the same. Don't know why you guys want to see this, but here we go. All of this stuff at the top you don't really want to eat. At least that's what I know, from what I've heard. Please don't get mad if I just threw away a bunch of like good parts of the onion to eat. I'm pretty sure only like up to here is like good. Up to here is only like good anyway, so I don't know what I'm doing. I really hope I don't touch my face or my eyes or anything in the time I'm doing this. There we have our cut up onions. I'm going to put those in a bag, and then we're going to move on to, I don't know, cooking the meat or something. This isn't going to even take really that long to prepare. I just got to heat up meat and cheese. So, this probably won't be very long. Oh. Ah! That worked out okay still. Even though there's still a lot on the table now. A lot of onions on the table. My dad likes to eat onions like raw. I have to. Like, this is probably the only way I could. So I'm just gonna like drop it on the meat and cheese and everything. But any other onion, I have to like cook. Like if I'm gonna put them on a burger or something, I have to cook them. So oh god. Okay, I touched it with my other hand. But so I guess now we're just gonna cook the ground beef and put the seasoning in it. So that's the next thing we're gonna do. Damn, that's a nice looking cow if I've ever seen one. That's what good. I'm just gonna leave that there, and then when that starts to turn brown, then I'm gonna just start heating up the cheese, and then I'm gonna pour the seasoning into that. So again, this might be a short cooking video, but it's what the people want, so I'm bringing it to them. I can't do with my left hand. Open! Ow! I cut myself. Of course I did. I cut myself using 2 hands rather than 1. Your boy doesn't have Band-Aids, so I'm probably gonna die. That's okay. It's starting to cook a little bit. I'll come back whenever it's more brown. Alright, so it's more or less getting browned. It's about, I'd say, 65% done. So I guess now is when we will start to heat up the cheese. Not that anybody was wondering, but I did find a Band-Aid, so I'm going to live, unfortunately. That bottle is hard to open. That took me like 3 tries to get it open. Also, don't think I'm weird for doing what I'm about to do. I know you could just eat it this way, but I like my cheese sauce warm when I'm making nachos, so I'm going to warm it up just a little bit. It might not even be weird. I might sound like a complete fool for thinking it is weird, but it's whatever. I'm also probably just going to put, once the cheese is cooled off, obviously, I'm going to put it probably back in the jar, and then you can heat it up again. Please don't think I'm gross. It's what my family and I do all the time. Please don't think I'm gross. I'm actually looking forward to this because I haven't had nachos like this in a while since I went, like the last time I went to my mom's house. Here we have our seasoning, so we're going to pour that in now. You can do this without seasoning, but it just doesn't taste nearly as good as if you did have seasoning. Oh my god. Of course something went wrong. Just another thing that I have to clean up. Fantastic. Like I said in the last cooking video, I like to cook. Oh, I won't even say I like to cook. I just do it because I have to, pretty much, but I hate cleaning. There's one thing that I do not like to do, it's to clean. When this is done, it'll look like a 5-star dish. Oh! The cheese is starting to boil. I think this is about ready. I'm gonna call it. Actually, yeah, everything's ready. Oh, this is gonna be so good. Oh, Sobe is so good. That should be good enough in there now for chip wise. Alright, so first things first is you want to put your meat on top of your chips. Or you could do cheese first, it doesn't matter. I like to do meat first personally. Why am I talking like this? Like I'm on a cooking show. This is just me doing a cooking video, like a YouTube video. Bang. Alright, now next is the cheese. I like to do is you could pour it on, but I like to get it in a spoon and drip, like, guide it on the plate. Again, why am I talking like this? I'm not on a damn cooking show. Bang. Now, the next part is optional. Green onions. I personally do like them with this, so I'm gonna put them on for the 3rd time. Why am I doing this? I'm supposed to be not enjoying this. Bang. That's what it looks like with everything on it so far. Now, next part also optional, but olives, I like olives. So I'm gonna throw a little bit of olives on there. Alright, here we got the olives on there now. The finger cutters, they cut my finger. That hurted. And now finally, we have sour cream. Our finished product. That just looks amazing. Alright, now we take our first bite. I only got a green onion on there, so that's disappointing. Literally just tastes like how my mom would make it. But my mom's not here now. She's down the street. If this video gets 15 likes, I'll do another cooking video. I also have another challenge that I think is impossible, but if this video gets 50 likes, I'll make a cooking channel. And I'll do weekly cooking videos. If it gets 50 likes. I doubt it'll even get 15. I don't think it'll even reach 15, so I'm feeling pretty safe. But yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed. If you did enjoy, leave a like and maybe even subscribe. I really want to get 100 subscribers this year. My goal was last year was to get 100, as you guys know. If you watched my best of 2018 video, if we hit 100 subscribers, also I'll make that cooking channel. Once a week, I'll make a cooking video on that channel as well. So yeah, hopefully you enjoyed. 15 likes, another cooking video. 50 likes or 100 subscribers, and then I'll do that cooking channel, I guess. I don't know how long I'd go with that even, because I'd run out of ideas quick. I don't even know what I would do for another cooking video. This is just off the top of my head, but yeah, thank you for watching.